If you have a house in Akron, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently and for a fair price, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Akron, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us and prefer working with us as a direct buyer rather than working with a traditional buyer that is driving around with a real estate agent and using some kind of traditional loan and mortgage and stuff like that, the reason people prefer to work with us as a direct buyer is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And this is very important for you, the seller. It's often overlooked, but when you sell to us and we're an as-is buyer, you don't have to fix anything. You don't have to haul anything away. You don't have to clean. You don't have to come out of pocket to make the sale of your property happen. Sometimes when you're working with more of a traditional buyer, the type of buyer driving around with a real estate agent, they're relying on some type of third-party lender or mortgage company and some type of approval to happen before they can successfully buy your house in Akron. With us, there's no approvals needed. With a traditional buyer, when they're using a traditional mortgage and a traditional lender, they're going to send through a formal inspection, and then they're going to have this formal appraisal process. And hopefully all of that goes well, because if it doesn't, this lender that they're using, they can pull out of this deal at any time. It's going to completely ruin your deal, cancel your contract, cancel your agreement, and put you right back to square one. You just wasted a tremendous amount of time. And then also, if this traditional mortgage lender, if they want you to make repairs before they're willing to close, that's money out of your pocket. And if you're looking to sell your house in Akron conveniently, the last thing you want to be is a weekend warrior. Now you're at the Home Depot and you're trying to hire people to do work and stuff like that. It does not need to be that way. And when you sell to us, it is going to be extremely easy. There's no hoops to jump through, because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition and we're going to pay cash. So there's no third-party approvals needed. Another benefit to you is when you sell to us as a true direct cash buyer is we're going to close, and we can set up the closing date for your property in Akron whenever you want to close. So all the control is left with you. The ball is in your court. There's no relying on any third-party lender. So if you need or want to close on the transaction and close your house in Akron quickly, we have the ability to move quickly. If you need more flexibility and if you want to set a target future date, we can accommodate that as well. The ball is in your court. We can close whenever you want to. You're not going to be out of pocket, and there's no fees. So there's no commissions that you're ever going to need to pay. When working with a traditional buyer, oftentimes if they have a realtor, guess what? The seller has to pay the commission. It's not the buyer. So if that's the case, work with a direct buyer where there's no fees, no commissions. We'll buy the house in its as-is condition, and since we're paying cash, we could close whenever you want to close. So give us a call if you have a house in Akron, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, or if you're just thinking about selling at some point in the future. We'd love the opportunity to talk to you and at least share with you options, and at least then you'll know where we stand. Our phone number here is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website because we were founded in Columbus, Ohio, but we're all over Akron, all over the whole state of Ohio. And when we get on the phone with you and when we speak to you, it's a very easy conversation. So we just need to know more about the house in Akron that you're selling and know more about your timeline that you're looking to close. This way we can accommodate your needs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Akron house. And if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. We're going to communicate transparently this entire time, and you're always going to know where we're at in the process. But if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to try sales tactics and gimmicks and waste your time, apply pressure, fake urgency. There is no games whatsoever. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because we're here in Ohio. We are neighbors. We're not some foreign call center who is trying to talk about your Ohio house and has no idea what they're doing. They have no track record at all. We have a very strong track record that we're proud of, hundreds of references and testimonials and reviews, and we keep it very easy for you. So our phone number once again is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. If you are thinking about selling your house in Akron, give us a call. We look forward to speaking with you, and we look forward to working with you.